Oh, this not this one. We have to go all the way around to get an elevator. Automatic elevator starts automatically. We have to wait here. Oh my goodness. We are up here. We are at Stratosphere Tower. My dream came true. Now I am here. Getting the double-deck elevator at Stratosphere Tower here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Which elevator is going to be? This elevator stops automatically and these elevators are fast. There's no buttons here. We just have to wait here.
Have to wait here?
Yes. Okay. Either just two elevators. It's pretty quiet this morning compared to night. This elevator stops automatically. Upper deck. We're getting the upper deck elevators because downstairs is lower. These two are double decks. I don't know which elevator is it. These elevators are fast. Which elevator is going to be? Hey! Hello there! My dream come true. I finally in here now.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 4. Is there gift lights in there?
Is it going to be fast though?
It is.
It is. What?
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. My dream come true. Now I'm finally here.
Счастливо сегодня пьешь. А ты все умерла. Смотри, как это же счастье. Нравится человек. Мечта это мало, мечты сбываются, мечта это больше.
These are double deck, right? Finally, I'm finally in here. I've never been here. My dream comes true. Excuse me, please. Can I see the buttons, please? There are your buttons down here. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. Total is 7,000 pounds per cab.
We're way over that right now. We're gonna
Well.
crash.
Oh,
My ears are popping. Yeah.
are we 108?
Yeah, this is your exit.
Oh,
Elevator fire secret.
oh wow. We got 108. Wow. 108 there. Let's wait. Wow. There's 1, 2, 3 elevators, 4 elevators. There's another 2 here. Doors closing. Now that's it for now. Indoor office station deck. Following by this is indoor. At the Stratosphere Tower here in Las Vegas. Excuse me for a second. We're an office station deck. There's Safari Avenue here. There's the mountains and it's air conditioning in here too, by the way. There are hotels, a lot of hotels in this area. In Vegas, of course. We're in Vegas now. I'm gonna show you something, another way to go. There's a traffic here. Sorry about that. Down there is the strip. And there's the airport down here. There's the strip again and the Trump Tower here.
perfect seat. You could scoot up a little bit closer, but you'll be able to like see them.
Yeah,
that's
where I've been
There's a
watching,
freeway down here.
Yeah,
Freeway
yeah, our
here.
friend is coming up. He's gonna be jumping.
Careful. There's a freeway. There's houses and there's a desert here. I have to walk people away. There's a train here. We're closer to downtown, by the way. This north outlet here. Wow. This freeway, there's the outlet down here. I have to show you something else. We're on a tour of the observation deck. This building over here, this is downtown Vegas. This is probably something else, I don't know. But you get to see the best view of Vegas. Ow, be careful, sorry. This is nice. You see better view of downtown Vegas. This is facing towards the east. Guess what, guys? Look out here. Now we're on top of the Stratosphere Tower, near downtown Las Vegas, Nevada. There are a bunch of buildings down there. They're all down to the strip. Oh, wow. I can see the airport up there. Wow. There are houses everywhere. Oh, wow. This is the tallest observation deck in Las Vegas. Finally. My dream come true that now I am in Stratosphere. I get to film these views out here. Outdoor view is probably the best idea to film because indoor probably not the nicest. It's blocking my window. There's mountains everywhere in here. It's so hot outside, so oh wow. It's mostly busy on the strip, but not busy on the downtown. Oh wow. This is looking towards east. Down there, over there, looking towards north. This is downtown Las Vegas down there. There's a lot of buildings in Vegas. I'm doing it during the day because it's not that busy right now, but at night it can be busy. So now I got a chance to do this during the day. So wow, this is southeast. This is at Stratosphere Tower. I'm gonna go another side. There's Encore. There's lots of hotels on the strip, and the strip can be busy at times because there's a lot of people. It's popular at night, but during the day it's not because it's very hot outside. And now I finally do it during the day because it can be a nice. There's Trump Tower. There are a lot of buildings in here. I finally looking everywhere. All the station deck. Yesterday I did film the tower. I did film the view from Paris, but here is probably the nicest view. There's down Las Vegas Boulevard. A lot of buildings here. I'm gonna try something. This is facing towards the freeway, Interstate 15. There's a lot of mountains in Vegas. This is facing towards west. There are a lot of houses and trees are there, but it's mostly popular at night because we have lights here. I'm gonna whip down here. There, Waterhouse. There's a freeway here. There's a northwest corner. What a view! This is the strip down there to the south. And that's it. We got all the view. Let's go back down here. Elevator 1 and 2. Try this. I'll press this button here too. See which elevator goes down to casino access. Go back down all the way down. Which elevator is going to be? This elevator? This elevator? Not elevator number 1, elevator 2? Or this? Which elevator is going to be? This, we're leaving the Stratosphere Tower at the, we're leaving Stratosphere Tower at Tower in Las Vegas, Nevada. I don't know which one is it going to be. We'll see which one is coming first. We have an Otis double deck elevator, which is except that this one doesn't go all the way down to the casino. Okay. We have Otis elevator. Which elevator is this elevator? This one. Can you take me down to all the way down to 2? Down to casino, please. It's just me. Capacity 3,500 pounds. Is lower decks being served? It's quiet during the day compared to night, right? Is it busy at night or during the day?
It just depends on what part of the week it is. Usually we're slightly busier during the night.
There are also lineups for the elevator at night. But luckily I want to do it during the day because it can be less busy because I feel like it. What's 2V stands for?
The different letters just stand for the different doors.
Oh, okay. 2C is this side, leave.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going down now.
Yeah, but if you purchase a ticket, your ticket is good until 1 a.m. so you can come back tonight if you wanted.
I don't stay here.
Just stay on. Go down.
There it goes. That's the best one?
Yeah, the restaurant.
Who do you see here? Me.
You guys eat at the restaurant?
No, we just went up there to see.
Oh, just check it out.
There you're fresh. Excuse me, please. Can I do my caveat? Hi. What's that camera here for? For lower deck?
Yeah, that shows us the person below us.
That's down there. The floor is the lower deck ceiling, right?
Yeah. We're in the upper elevator. So we're a double-decker elevator.
See? GDC. 2 meals in the elevator. We're on the express zone still. Here we are. Down close to the concourse level. Express. 4 fixtures. Have a good day. Thank you.
Here we are.
Bye. Oh, boom. There goes 4 elevators. What happened to this elevator? I'm gonna do my caveat now. This elevator's not working. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna hop in. There your fixtures on here. Okay, that's it.